Why would you consider hiring a life coach after a divorce? There are many reasons why you want to hire a life coach after your divorce. First, you want to get grounded in who you are and what you want out of life. Most likely, you've been there for everybody else. Now it's your turn to focus on you. Here, you'll dream about what you want your life to be like for you and your family. Perhaps this includes a new love interest. Next, with life coaching, you'll gain greater clarity about your core values that need to be acknowledged. We want to live our lives according to those values and attract people in our life who honor those values. If there's any goals you want to achieve, hiring a life coach after divorce will help you get on the right track. Coaching provides a plan of action and accountability. Such goals can be losing 20 pounds or getting more organized. Also, as a life coach, I create greater awareness around the negative thoughts that are holding you back, that are no longer serving you at this juncture. Once we clear those away, you'll see your confidence boost. As a life coach, we have great exercises to help you reveal cool stuff about yourself. I find both the life purpose exercise and the secret self exercise is where you explore the different sides of your personality and which ones desire to be in the world with you to be the most helpful. So you can see having a life coach after divorce can be a great next step for you. Mine was invaluable and helped me see that I could discard thoughts of the improbable and embrace thoughts of what's truly possible for me. To explore how life coaching can transform your life, then go to talkwithcoachamy.com and let's connect.